Today we had the monumental task of taking a Christmas card photo with all of our baby goats.
Yeah, very form-fitting. Ow, God.
The photo will probably be sheer chaos.
That was just about as difficult as I thought it was going to be. How about you?
100%. What are we doing today, baby?
Today we had the monumental task of taking a Christmas card photo with all of our baby goats. We're gonna see how it goes. We got pretty awesome little Christmas sweaters for us. I'm actually very surprised at the quality of this. We got one for Teddy. We got 5 for our baby goats.
Big one for Poppy.
I'm pretty excited about the challenge that is about to take place.
We've accepted the fact that the photo will probably be sheer chaos, but we actually think that's cute. So whatever happens, happens. We're gonna give them a little brushing first, then we're gonna put their sweaters on, and then we're gonna put their leashes on and see if we can get them all together for a big old smile.
We seem to have a volunteer right here. Oh, as he runs away.
Yeah, all right, time for some brushing. Let's get to it.
Let's get to it, baby. Where you going? Where you going? Come here. It's like he knows. He's like, oh, you want the challenge? Okay.
For the moment, I'm gonna put these here, Kev, because I don't want them to chew on them while we're preparing them. Leash them up.
That's gotta feel good for him. He's had that little curtain on so that he couldn't mate with our female baby goats for quite some time now. He's all like matted here from having that on for so long.
Mary.
Where you going?
Mary. Mary.
Where you going, huh?
Mary.
Where you going? That's a whole lot of poo.
Still covered in hair.
And now every time I feed them, they insist on being right where I'm trying to sprinkle the food, so they just get covered and it gets stuck in their fluff.
Phoebe's the easy one.
Yeah, she volunteers.
Come here. You too. Hi, Pee-Pee. They all pretty poopy, but don't love that. What's going on?
Super poopy?
Not super, but look.
You're next.
You're so handsome,
You cannot hide.
Come here. Moss to you.
Moss to you. Oh, she's trying to hide, Mom. You can't see me.
Hey.
Oh man, she found me. Hi there. Things all here. Except for Poppy. He's on this.
Leia loves peanuts.
Yes, she does. Huh?
Only one who loves it.
Little fluffy bunny. Okay. Ooh, surprise! Oh. You first, sir.
Oh, he's being chill.
Right there. Yeah, there he is.
Oh my
There he is. So tuck that in. Yeah. Wow.
legs here.
Never looked more handsome, buddy.
Being so good.
So Christmas.
I want to
This guy.
on.
Yeah, sure.
Excuse me.
Wow.
Hi. Don't you look so handsome?
That was easy.
Yay, we got one down.
Famous last words.
All right. Pee-Pee next because she's easy.
Right.
We'll save the worst for last.
Yeah. Oh, she's happy.
Here you go. Hey, sweet girl. Sweet girl. Here you go.
Don't mind me munching. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, what a beautiful lady.
Yeah, very form-fitting.
Oh. 2 down. Not so bad.
This one's Mary's right here.
Yeah, you're gonna need
What's up, girl? Wrangle. Wahaha.
she's so fit.
So fit. So strong.
She is. She's like a pole.
Almost. Oh, you're gonna love it though. You're really gonna love it.
One.
Yay, Christmas. Yeah,
There we go.
See, she can't wait. She's like, come on. Why am I?
There we go. Come
Why am I
here,
last?
come here.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Oh. Be free.
Leia, it's your turn.
Wait, the color's not quite perfect. There we go. Perfect, just like you. Okay. Kind of look like Doc Brown there, buddy. Well, where are you going?
All right. Baby?
You need help? Yeah. Get up. You're supposed to do the easy one.
I love the red on their white flower.
I know.
Oh, jeez.
Okay. One. There we go.
Watch the eyes.
Yep. Woo. Okay.
Okay, let's check that. Good girl.
Beautiful.
Good girl, honey.
Wow.
That looks perfect on you.
She looks like she's not sure what to do.
Yeah.
Are you drunk?
I don't like it.
The big kahuna next.
It's cold out here, man.
Yeah, you.
Oh boy.
Wipe that smirk off your face.
Definitely gonna have to get the leash. Are you ready?
Are you ready for it?
You're gonna be very fashionable. She knows. She knows something's up. You can see her being like, what are you planning, Mom?
Oh, we didn't get one for you. Not for you.
We have animal crackers.
But I do have cookies to lure you closer. For no reason at all. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy.
She's not having it.
Puppy.
She is not having it already. She sees the sweaters and she's like, oh, F
I
that.
have a cookie. I have a cookie. I have cookie. Hey, come here. Up there. Go, go. Hey, no. No. Animal cracker. That's an animal cracker. You love animal cracker. Bobby! Maybe we don't chase it, though. Bobby, animal cracker. Go, animal cracker.
Okay, Bobby.
Perhaps we should have started with her. She's like, you look stupid. Come here. Yep, puppy. She tends to see the babies have some first before she wants some. Babies. Baby. Ah, yum, 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 yum. Come show Poppy what she's missing. Yeah. Oh, you're doing steak. You have some animal crackers. Yeah. We got all the animal crackers. Oh, gee, there's only one left. Sure looks good. Hey, Poppy. This one's for you. Get the out of here, Mary. Poppy. You love cookies. You love cookies. Ow, God. Duke, you ruined everything. I almost had her.
Maybe it's just not gonna happen.
Oh, it's happening, all right. It's just for you. It's just for you. Yeah.
Okay, I'll get the leash.
It's okay. There you go. Sweet victory. That's a good girl. Okay.
Puppy. Very, very heavy.
You got it. Nice. Good girl. We're gonna have to cut this off of her, but.
Should wear it again for life.
Yep.
Okay, one.
Would you say you weren't warm enough
Good girl.
this winter?
Good girl, Puppy.
There we go. Ooh.
Okay, it's in.
Okay.
Oh boy.
that was just about as difficult as I thought it was going to be. How about you?
100% exactly the way I thought it was gonna go. We definitely got the right picture.
Oh,
So
yeah.
you can't expect goats to be perfectly apt pupils in a situation like this. So I would say job well done. I think we thoroughly stressed out Poppy.
Yeah, she was kind of just starting to come around and trust us, and I think we just mucked that all up, didn't we? I apologize. We'll make up for it. I'll give you all the animal crackers.
It'll be worth it. I kind of feel like leaving these sweaters on
We 100% should.
while it's cold.
I feel good about it.
We wish you the merriest of joyful seasons, lots of tasty food, and love and peace and harmony.
And goat sweaters.
And goat sweaters.
Happy holidays from Lavender Goat Farms. Poppy, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Good job.
He's